Outstanding design defines the 2013 Dodge Journey. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Dodge prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trip computer, and power windows. Dodge ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Dodge's rigorous certification process. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop in and take a test drive.